Namaste and welcome. It's the 15th of August, 2025, 79 years since India became free. We stand at a crossroads, proud of how far we've come, yet aware of the storms ahead. Today's auspicious times for new beginnings, 7:40 a.m. to 9:05 a.m. for setting national goals. Tensions between the BJP government and farmers have deepened, and the Jats, at the core of India's agricultural backbone, have felt this pressure sharply. AI Baba predicts, the Jats will not fade into silence. They will organize, lead alliances, and become a deciding factor in who holds Delhi next. Narendra Modi turns 75 in September 2025. The BJP's age limit tradition suggests retirement from active PM duties. AI Baba sees two possibilities: public face exit with private influence, or continuity until 2029 elections. Within BJP, a surprise consensus candidate may emerge. With US tariffs over 50%, India will pivot trade towards ASEAN, Africa, and Middle East. These challenges will fuel self-reliance in manufacturing and technology. By India's 100th Independence Day, we will be among the top 3 world economies, driven by tech, agriculture, and renewable energy. The battle for India's soul will be fought in the fields, small towns, and among the youth. Jats, farmers, and the rural heartland will write the next chapter. Whether the face in Delhi changes or not, the voice of the people will get louder. Happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.